Gerald's Free Guitar Lessons. On today's segment, we're gonna learn a very easy song, one of the most popular songs of the '90s, and Nirvana's "Smells Like Teen Spirit." So it's a simple song. People think it's difficult, but really not. It basically starts off with on the first fret you put your finger on the E chord. And then on the third fret, you put your finger on the D and the A and D chord. So it forms something of that nature. Can you see that good? Okay. And it's a simple picking pattern of. Can you see where I can pick? All right. It's a simple picking pattern of. Obviously I don't have the distortion and whatnot set up. If you can look, I just got a cheesy ass battery powered 10 watt amp that sucks. But just using that right now. But basically what it is really simple. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then what he does is he lifts up his fingers just a little bit and goes, mutes out the string. So what you do on this, so there's 2 parts each one. This is the first part. Then you do the mute. Slide down slide down. Slide down your fingers so that your pinky's on the A string, and then you're on the D and G string on the third fret. So it goes. So now you do the same exact thing. You slide down on the 4th and 6th fret now. So from the 1 and 3rd to the 4th and 6th, and you do same thing. And that's it. That's the verse. Easy as hell, right? Now I know there's a lot of people that get confused with the part when he's like hello, right? It's not the 1st and 2nd fret. That's wrong. Everybody thinks it's that. It's actually the 5th and 6th fret, as you can see on many of his videos, concerts and whatnot. If you can get a glimpse of his hands, it's on the 5th and 6th string, 5th and 6th fret. So the B string, on the B string, 5th fret, you put your first finger there. And on the E string, what's it called? A little brain fall over there. On the E string 6th fret, you put your middle finger. So it's gonna just something like this. So you start off going, let it ring, and once the ring dies, you do it again. He does it after the part where he's like, load up on guns, as he lets it ring. And then when he gets to the part where he's like, hello. So all these are just a simple hello, 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 hello. And he jumps right back into this. Obviously it's much faster. That's that. Now, there's also multiple ways of doing the solo. This is the way I learned how to do the solo. It's really, really simple and really quick. So we're going to learn the solo now. And solo is just D string, 6th fret. So it's just, you go like that. And then on the 4th fret on the G string. So it goes. So just, bring it down here. So. Obviously I'm doing it much slower so that you can get the idea. And that's basically it. That's Nirvana's "Smells Like Teen Spirit." Hope you enjoyed.